Former Chief Executive Member of the KHADC and NPP candidate from Nongthymmai, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, today accused Voice of the People Party President Ardent M Basaiawmoit of misleading the public regarding Article 371. Speaking after casting his vote, Pyniaid Sing Syiem questioned why states without the 6th schedule were fighting to obtain it, while Meghalaya, which already enjoys its protection, seemed to misunderstand its significance. He claimed that in the past the VPP president had led people to believe that demanding Article 371 would not result in the removal of the 6th schedule. However, after thorough study, he concluded that the 6th schedule offers stronger protection for the state's cultural and traditional identity compared to Article 371. Expressing confidence in his electoral victory, Pyniaid Sing Syiem stated that his journey to serve the people of Nongthymmai had already begun. He believed voters would support the party based on its commitment to strengthening the 6th schedule and addressing key issues. He also highlighted the party's role in passing several crucial bills aimed at safeguarding the indigenous community while ensuring development across constituencies. Pyniaid Sing Syiem emphasized the need to address the constituency's water crisis and explore solutions for unemployment through initiatives such as coaching centers, vocational training, skill development programs, and a rehabilitation center for drug addicts. Additionally, Syiem stressed the importance of promoting sports and announced plans to propose the construction of 2 stadiums within the Nongthymmai constituency to benefit young and talented athletes. He also underlined the need to improve healthcare facilities in the area.
Te hakabaydey ba kanika election ke pemerintah ngaso bandong ba hoi ngam ngidon jingkermen bangila trishtom but kabasa blade tip khamha kita but kajingjok kajungi kan long bagi ba kinjet halor kinongrim keba ki UI ki mat rekam ki bangidan ba kanong rem ke bangidan bat kata kalong bangin nang perklan chu ika 6 schedule kebadan hapok ka artikel aspa sawat nang ta kiwei lu kimat ki badan kam bat kiwei lu kimat ki badan kam se ba kham dan kam nam ta ban kentiu ya ka bha kamyat ka imlang ka salam kerpang ru nak kabenta ki babun ki an se kum FDC bangi idan nak kabenta ban snaan ban thauan de kum u wen ki MDC ba setting ba present CM bamenta ni dan ban ong ba nakaliang juni kat kepala ni lawan ra iki an ki ba scam ki ba biang ki ba dan kam hadu kata-kata but ki dan ru ki an ki ba san rutli ban kam hadin nyo ko artli ki snam bangilayo ke council bang ngidang yo mentah kita ki an kebaar pat kebenta jong MDC sikat bala ka roy kapar ke development apo jong ka constituency leni nam takari brokawe kat bakot bor leni lat deti nakaliang jungi ngisno dei ban ra kini ki development te ban mentoy ke snong ban mentoy ki pai ba ngan ong kumno ki pai ba ki kham start ki kham shapang ki lai tang kawe ka jingpen slow ka jonga lada ki wei ki jai pen rio ha ki wei pat ki jela ki bampat yo ka sik schedule menta ki hapanya khun ting ki hapanya sha thangan hadu bandayap ban yo ka sik schedule dekat no tam mangi pat bala yo ngimpat sutu kai te kiladon kisnam kiba khaman shwa kiba ngiru la shailam bakla kata ka nongrem abangi lai kren le sibuk president jong VPP pemerintah menong bakani kan namlong le seyok wan kani kan dut not council re nakaliang jong hatu kisnam dong kan namdu tingiru kum kinong but se hap ya but re dalangam jeliu pat ya ka thmei jong ka jing tre kam jong sik schedule hajing snow jonga ngasno ba kani di kebiang tap nak benta ban kedup ya kajungi long teli jong kajat riu khasi barit pa kajungi batru kaba kajat riu jungi kaba bon ki lariti ki bangidon ki dustur ki bangidon tengah ngasno kani di kasi benta kaba ngin la ban penek besar ya kita ki customary practices kajungi ki balahi kai long shua mat shua na du ki por ndai thai